Alright, tonight we are scrapping this. This is a Black & Decker. It's a rechargeable screwdriver, electric. The lock don't work. It don't take a charge anymore. I tried putting new batteries in it and it still don't take a charge, so the electronics are completely douched. But what was cool about this is you could, you're tightening, you have to push the button. It's like a momentary switch. But you could time your grab and you could really zing screws in. I was pretty good at it. But there's got to be a motor in here, and I want to get my batteries back out of it. Oh, that's right, it was them stupid bits. Get these out. These are them tamper resistant screws there, not tamper resistant. So you can't work on it. How does this come apart again? Oh, another screw down there. That one might work. I think I got a nice little variety of scrapping tools laid out. Oh, that's right, I soldered them suckers in there. I remember now. Those batteries are at their life expectancy anyways. There, a nice copper bearing motor. Get my batteries back. Not much in here, that's about it. Where was the switch? Is that all it was? How'd the switch work? I bet that's it. Got anything good in this switch? Look at that, them little silver contacts. That's what they look like. And we got some brass for sure. Yeah. That don't look like a silver contact. That's a little piece of plastic. Some brass. A little tiny little silver contact. Every little bit helps. Oh, we got another silver contact. Some number 2 insulated. And some brass. I bet that's brass. Every little bit. It all adds up. Some more brass. And I'm going to leave that plastic on this copper bearing board because it's still copper bearing. It makes it just that tiny little bit heavier. Oh, these are brass. There we go. I've never used these for cutting. I always just use them for grabbing. Grabbing and ripping and pulling. That's about it. Is this worth popping apart? A lot of times you can just hit on here and they pop right apart. don't want to crush it too much. Nice little magnets in there. I should just crush it. With the commuter. See, I gotta get every little bit of copper out of this guy. I'll show you how to do it. And now you can just unwind it. Didn't have this crap in there. There you go, unwind the windings. So I knew I'd get a little more copper out of this little tiny stupid screwdriver. Well, can't seem to find the other ends. Might just call that a wrap instead of an unwrap. No, I am determined. I will not be defeated. There we go. Had to switch angles. Alright, she's epoxied right in there. Think I'm gonna give her up. Got some of it. Oh, here we go. Get as much as you can at least. So I can still call this copper bearing anytime I want. It looked easy to get. Still coming. And yeah, this is getting too tedious. So we're gonna call it a wrap. So I got a little bit of number 2 copper. Not worth putting on the scale. A little bit of number 2 insulated. Some copper bearing. And some brass. And some little silver contacts. There's one right there, there's one right there. Just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.